Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to put a tempered glass. Let me just show you. Edge to edge, super strong 9H hardened tempered glass for the OnePlus 5T. I've already tried a few different ones and they did not work. I tried this. This is the one which is already on there, but it does not cover the entire phone. Let me just show you properly. Maybe through angles you'll be able to see that it's not really covering the entire phone properly, so I did not like that. So I'm going to remove that and then I'm going to put this one. Now this one I bought it for 400 rupees from the Chroma store. This is for 300 rupees from the China market. So let's see if this 300 one is better than this 400 one. The one that I put before this, the tempered glass, that was for 500 rupees and even that did not work because of the corners. So let's see. Now we'll go ahead and remove this first. Now I always keep my screen guards safe because sometimes they come in handy. If your current screen guard breaks or something happens, then you can always use them later on. So I take this and I stick it somewhere else. You can always wash it and then put it back. So that's another thing that you can do. Okay, so I think it's clean enough. Let's take out the tempered glass. Be very careful when you take this out. Now these are fully stickable. So what I mean by fully stickable is, okay, now we'll have to put it. Okay, so the screen guard has been put, sorry, the tempered glass has been put. Now the difference between this one and the previous one that I put was, now this has gum all over. The previous one that I put had gum only on the black part. So what happens is, since the middle portion does not have any gum, it tends to move a little bit and then the corners do not stick properly and they bulge out. And then your touch problem comes up and then you cannot use it properly. All those problems will come up. So make sure that if you're buying tempered glass for the OnePlus 5T, buy the one which has gum all over, which is completely sticky, not the one which is going to stick from the corners. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.